Hello everyone, my name is Omkar Kolhe. I am a final year student of Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I have joined MIT World Peace University to do course in BTech in Electrical and Computer Engineering branch. I am the guy who wants to build something on his own. So I have joined University's Technical Club Team Accelerators, where we have built Formula 1 style electric race cars and participated in international and national competitions. I have also participated and conducted, headed and planned various events, technical and cultural, which MIT World Peace University conducts. Currently, I am building my own venture called PowerNet Pro Private Limited. It is a digital solar space. As we can see, we are solving a simple problem. Lakhs of people from Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities live in apartmental spaces, so they do not take solar benefit. So we have come up with a simple solution. They can subscribe to solar infrastructure digitally to offset their electricity bill. All of this couldn't happen with the support. All the stakeholders of MIT World Peace University helped me, including the professors, including the management. My message is simple to every student who is watching this. Try to engage in meaningful activities which MIT World Peace University conducts. Be a problem solver. Thank you, MIT World Peace University.